Hello, I'm Mike Goodrich. I'm the owner of Cornerstone Analytical Laboratories, located here on Maryville College campus in Sutton Science Center. Cornerstone Analytical is a contract testing laboratory. We perform unique testing services for companies across the country. We were founded in 2016. I was in talks with Dr. Nathan Duncan, the organic chemistry professor. Needed some help on some analysis work for a senior thesis. I had some equipment and we brought the equipment on campus and it turned out to be a good fit. We test consumer product. One of the big markets we do is kombucha testing. We've actually validated a method for the AOAC, which is a governing body for the alcohol content in kombucha. Being in Sutton Science has helped me tremendously. With the space, with the access to students, we've been able to bring in some new techniques to the program, and so it gives me the space to get started as a small company, and gives me the opportunity to work with students to, hopefully get some ready for professional life later on.
It greatly benefits them to expose them to instruments that aren't really used in other programs, I would imagine. I assume that not a lot of bigger universities allow their students to work first-hand experience with a lot of these instruments. Typically what I've heard is that they have like a tech there to do all the work for you, but I think having Mike here, he likes to really instruct the students here to work one-on-one on these instruments.
I'm real world. The professors, they teach a structured class for a large number, where the work I do is more individual. And so I work with them when they're working on their senior thesis, or work with them one-on-one on an internship. And so what I'm working with them, gives them that one-on-one attention.
I think it really puts you on a leg up because you go behind the scenes of how people get the spectra and kind of like the nitty-picky stuff that goes into like interpreting it in real-world applications. You're really going to get a good education here and really get those skills, like hands-on skills, to be a better applicant for whatever career you want to go into, be it a grad school or going straight into industry.
Students are seeing those new equipment, new techniques coming in and are actually having access to it. And hopefully we'll be able to be ready when they leave Maryville to go out in the workforce with a skill set ready to put them in and give them that advantage.